Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Benjamin. Today we're going to do an unboxing setup and first impressions of Apple's AirPods. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is the box for the AirPods. On the front we have a picture of the AirPods and without a case. On the bottom we have some barcodes. On the left side and the right side we have an Apple logo. And then here on the top we have the word AirPods. So to get in the box you simply just remove the plastic like you would any other Apple product, and then we're just going to lift the lid up here, and right on top there is some paperwork and a little packet. You can see we have the AirPods instructions, and then we have some just safety and regulatory information right here that you don't really need, but what you might want to look at is the instructions for your AirPods, which is front and back sided. So if we go ahead and take a look underneath those instructions, we can find the AirPods and we can go ahead and pull those out. And I'm going to set those aside real quick because down here, something a lot of people forget is Apple includes a lightning cable, so that's pretty nice of them. So let's go ahead and unwrap these AirPods here. They are wrapped up, as you can see. Very simple to take that off. Now, examining these things, the first impressions here is this is a really nice feeling case that they're in. You can see the lightning port down there because this is a charging case, so your AirPods will always be charged as long as the case is charged, of course. Now we can go ahead and open that up and take a look at the AirPods sitting inside their case. Looks really good in there, and the lid is a nice magnetic lid, so you don't have to worry about it coming open in your pocket or whatever. And there is what an AirPod looks like when it's also held in by magnets so it can charge. So pairing these things could literally not be any simpler. All you have to do is unlock your iPhone or iOS device, open the lid of the AirPods, and they pop up right there. And all you have to do is hit connect, and it's literally that simple. You're then greeted with your charge levels on both your AirPods and your case, and all you have to do is hit done. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these in my ear real quick, and these actually feel really comfortable. You don't even know they're there. They're very similar to the EarPods, of course. Now if you go into your Bluetooth settings and you tap a little blue eye, you can get more settings for your AirPods. So you can choose what the left AirPod and what the right AirPod can do. You can choose the different commands for each one, as you can see. I chose not to use Siri, just to do some music controls on both of them. You can also see there's automatic ear detection, and there is a microphone setting for your AirPods. So the moment you've been waiting for, how do they sound? These things actually sound pretty decent. They sound just a little bit better than EarPods. Now, they're definitely not going to be the best headphones on the market, of course, but these things just definitely sound good, and they're going to be great for most people. I know they're perfectly fine for me. I do have to say, so far my favorite feature is the automatic ear detection. As you can see kind of in the reflection of the camera, it automatically detects when you remove one, so if you pull one out, it automatically pauses the music and you put it back in and it plays the music again. It's so cool. I really love that feature. Also, when you take them out and you put them back in the case, of course, they will begin to charge, and you can see that indicator light in there, and they're literally that simple to use. Also, your battery status can be found in your widgets over on your home screen. So, first impressions, I really love these things. I can't wait to start using them more and more every day. And stay tuned for the review video coming in the future. But anyways, guys, that's all I got today. I will catch you all in the next video.